In the power tool industry, Milwaukee is a trusted name, known for its durable, high-performance tools designed for professionals and DIYers alike. From powerful drills and impact drivers to saws and grinders, Milwaukee offers a wide range of tools built for efficiency and reliability. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the 10 best Milwaukee power tools that deserve a spot in your toolbox. So, let's dive in. Firstly, the M18 Fuel Dual Battery Chainsaw is a powerful and efficient tool built for professional-grade cutting tasks. Made by Milwaukee Tool, it runs on M18 red lithium high-output batteries, delivering more power and longer runtime than single battery models. With its dual battery system, it matches the performance of a 70cc gas chainsaw, making it perfect for tough jobs like tree felling, cutting large logs, and storm cleanup. The high-torque power-state brushless motor offers quicker cutting speeds and longer motor life, while the RedLink Plus intelligence system ensures optimal performance and prevents overheating. The variable speed trigger gives users the ability to adjust power output, improving control and efficiency. With both 16-inch and 18-inch bar options, it's versatile for various cutting needs. The automatic oiler keeps the chain lubricated for smoother operation and longer chain life. Plus, it's quieter and requires less maintenance than gas-powered models with zero emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice. The absence of fuel mixing and pull start means you can get straight to work with the push of a button. Whether you're a landscaper, arborist, or construction pro, this cordless chainsaw combines gas-like power with the convenience of a battery, offering top-notch performance and durability. Up next, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Overhead. Rotary hammer is a heavy-duty tool built for tough jobs in construction and industrial settings. With Milwaukee's M18 Fuel technology, it offers impressive power, speed, and durability, easily handling challenging materials like concrete, brick, and masonry. The brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance and efficiency, while the RedLink Plus intelligence system protects against overloads and adjusts performance in real time. This hammer has 3 modes: hammering, drilling, and chipping, giving it versatility for different tasks, from drilling anchors to chipping away at hard surfaces. Notable feature of this tool is its ability to work overhead comfortably, thanks to its lightweight and well-balanced design. It minimizes user fatigue during extended overhead work and provides better control and comfort, with an anti-vibration system that further reduces vibrations. Built tough to endure harsh environments, this rotary hammer offers long-term reliability. As part of the M18 system, it's compatible with a wide range of M18 batteries for longer run times and added flexibility. All in all, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Overhead Rotary Hammer is a go-to tool for professionals who need a powerful, reliable, and versatile option for their most demanding tasks. If you need high performance and precision in cutting tasks, the M18 Fuel Dual Trigger Deep Cut Bandsaw can be a good pick. Powered by Milwaukee's advanced technology, it offers incredible speed and durability, making it perfect for cutting through materials like metal, plastic, and wood. It features a dual trigger design for extra safety. Both hands are required to operate it, helping ensure full control and preventing accidental activation. This makes it an excellent choice for high-risk environments. With a 5-inch deep cut capacity, this saw can handle larger cuts, giving it great versatility for a wide range of applications. Plus, its brushless motor boosts efficiency, extends runtime, and increases the tool's lifespan. Built with a strong heavy-duty frame, it's tough enough to handle tough worksite conditions. Weighing only 14.5 pounds, the M18 Fuel Bandsaw is lighter than many other tools in its class, making it easier to handle for long periods. Whether you're cutting pipes, conduit, or rebar, the M18 Fuel Bandsaw offers top-notch performance and reliability, making it an essential tool for professionals in construction, maintenance, and fabrication. The M18 Fuel 5-inch Random Orbital Sander is a powerful tool made for professionals like woodworkers, contractors, and DIYers who want top-notch sanding performance. This sander has a high-performance brushless motor that delivers up to 12,000 orbits per minute, ensuring smooth and efficient sanding. Its 5-inch sanding pad offers great control, making it perfect for fine finishes or prepping surfaces for painting or staining. Its cordless design gives you the freedom to move around without being held back by a power cord. It runs on Milwaukee's M18 battery, which offers long-lasting power for those long work sessions. Plus, it has a variable speed dial, so you can adjust the speed based on your sanding task, whether it's heavy-duty work or something more delicate. It also comes with a dust collection system to keep your workspace clean, improving visibility and safety. Durable and reliable, the M18 Fuel 5-inch random orbital sander is perfect for pros who need a high-quality, efficient tool for all sorts of sanding tasks. The M18 Fuel 24 and 30-inch hedge trimmers from Milwaukee are designed to handle a wide range of landscaping jobs with ease and efficiency. Powered by M18 Fuel technology, these trimmers feature a high-performance brushless motor and a tough design for powerful performance. With different blade lengths available, they're versatile enough for both home gardeners and pros. The blades are engineered to make precise cuts, minimizing the risk of damaging plants or bushes. Plus, the trimmers come with a long-lasting battery system, so you can work longer without constantly recharging. Both models have an ergonomic design, making them comfortable to use, with features like a rubberized handle and a well-balanced build to reduce fatigue during extended use. Whether you're trimming thick hedges or maintaining smaller bushes, the M18 Fuel 24 and 30-inch hedge trimmers are perfect for anyone looking for a reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly landscaping tool. Plus, with Milwaukee's solid warranty and the flexibility of the M18 platform, these trimmers are a durable, long-lasting choice for any outdoor job. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. The M18 Fuel 4 5/5-inch dual trigger braking grinder is a high-quality tool for pros and serious DIers who need power, efficiency, and safety while grinding. By Milwaukee's advanced M18 Fuel tech, this grinder outperforms traditional corded tools, offering better durability and longer runtime. Its brushless motor boosts efficiency and minimizes maintenance, letting you work longer without losing power. The dual trigger braking system adds an extra layer of safety by quickly stopping the wheel when you let go of the triggers, reducing the risk of accidents. The grinder is designed to fit both 4.5 and 5-inch discs, making it perfect for a variety of tasks, from grinding metal to tough materials like concrete. It also comes with a high-quality protective guard to keep debris away and add safety during use. Plus, its ergonomic handle ensures comfort, so you won't get fatigued even during long jobs. Built to handle heavy-duty tasks, this grinder is packed with Milwaukee's durability and strong construction. It provides solid power for cutting, grinding, and polishing, while its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to move around. Whether you're working on industrial projects or DIY improvements, the M18 Fuel dual trigger braking grinder is a reliable tool that blends power, safety, and versatility. For the professionals in fields like electrical, plumbing, and mechanical work, the Milwaukee M18 Forcelogic single-channel strut shear is a tough and powerful tool. It's part of Milwaukee's M18 cordless system, which is known for being reliable and efficient. This tool is designed to quickly and accurately cut through strut materials, boosting productivity on the job. For its unique Forcelogic technology, it delivers faster, more consistent cuts while being easy on the user with its lightweight and ergonomic design. It can handle metal strut up to 1/5-8 inches wide, making it versatile for different tasks. One of the key features of the M18 strut shear is its advanced blade system, which ensures clean, burr-free cuts that need less finishing work. Powered by the M18 red lithium battery, it offers dependable performance with long-lasting power. The tool's simple design makes it easy to use, allowing for precise cuts without extra setup. In case of durability, the M18 Forcelogic Strut Shear is tough enough to handle heavy-duty use in challenging environments. Plus, Milwaukee made sure it's easy to maintain, with quick blade and part replacements. So if you're looking to improve your workflow and get top-notch cutting results, this tool can be a good choice. The M18 Fuel Blower from Milwaukee Tool is a powerful, cordless blower designed to handle a variety of outdoor cleaning jobs. It offers long-lasting power, so you can work for extended periods without worrying about recharging. Its brushless motor delivers impressive power, with speeds reaching up to 155 miles per hour and 650 CFM, making it perfect for clearing leaves, snow, debris, and dirt from areas like driveways and yards. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for long stretches. It's lightweight and well-balanced, reducing fatigue and giving you better control. And the variable speed trigger and cruise control let you adjust the airflow to suit your task, whether you're doing light dusting or heavy-duty blowing. Built to last, the M18 Fuel Blower is part of Milwaukee's M18 Fuel system, known for its durability. It's designed to handle tough environments, resisting dust, debris, and moisture, so you can rely on it for consistent performance. Whether you're a homeowner, landscaper, or professional, this blower is a top pick for anyone looking for a cordless outdoor cleaning solution. The M18 Fuel Coil Roofing Nailer is a powerful, high-performance tool designed to increase productivity and efficiency in roofing applications. Built with Milwaukee's innovative M18 Fuel technology, this cordless roofing nailer is powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, providing the convenience of portability without sacrificing power. It delivers consistent and reliable performance, driving nails into a variety of roofing materials with precision and speed. The tool features a strong motor that is capable of firing up to 6 nails per second, making it ideal for large roofing projects where speed is essential. This nailer sinks up to 1,100 nails per charge, providing best-in-class runtime to maximize productivity and reduce the need for frequent reloading. This makes it suitable for continuous work, helping contractors maintain a steady pace throughout the day. The nailer also offers a tool-free depth adjustment, allowing users to easily customize the drive depth for different materials and job requirements. Its rugged construction ensures longevity even in demanding environments. The anti-dry fire mechanism prevents the tool from firing when there are no nails left in the magazine, saving both time and wear on the tool. With its ergonomic design, it reduces user fatigue, allowing professionals to work for extended periods comfortably. Overall, the M18 Fuel Coil Roofing Nailer combines efficiency, power, and convenience, making it a valuable asset for roofing contractors. The M18 Brushless Stick Transfer Pump 2940-20 is a handy and flexible tool made for efficient fluid transfer in various environments. It runs on Milwaukee's M18 red lithium batteries, so it's cordless and perfect for situations where power outlets aren't available. Its slim, long design lets it reach into tight spots, making it easy to transfer fluids from containers, tanks, and other hard-to-reach areas. With a flow rate of 25 gallons per minute, it moves fluids quickly and efficiently, while the built-in fuel gauge keeps you informed on battery life to avoid any interruptions. One of the key features is its ability to handle different types of liquids, with 17 feet max head height. It also comes with an easy-to-use on-off switch and an ergonomic design, offering comfort and reducing strain during long tasks. Plus, it's compatible with all M18 batteries, so you can use the same power source for other Milwaukee tools. In short, the M18 Brushless Stick Transfer Pump 2940-20 is a reliable, durable, and efficient solution for fluid transfer in a portable, compact design. So that's a wrap on 10 best Milwaukee power tools. Hope you find this informative. Subscribe and stay tuned for more updates.